Power up your spreadsheets with the new SkyCiv Excel plugin. Streamline your team's designs or reimagine your workflows by adding analysis and design capabilities to your existing spreadsheets. With the new plugin, you can do the following directly from Excel. Automatically generate your structural models and save them to your account. Perform finite element analysis directly from your spreadsheets. Perform and review design calculations from a range of design standards. Render your structures to visualize your input and results, and much more. Getting started is easy. Simply install the add-in directly from Excel via the App Store and enter your SkyCiv API credentials. Streamline your design workflows using the SkyCiv Excel plugin today.